everyone, welcome back. Today we learn how to create a lotus flower, for which we require a sheet, a pencil, marker and some oil pastels. To start with it, in the center of the sheet I am creating the shape of a lotus. First we will learn how to make a drop shape. Okay, to start with it, what we'll do is we'll make a shape of a drop. We'll create a shape of a drop. Then we have to make a shape like this. Now the next one has to be little lower than the first one. So we'll make sure कि next one has to be little lower. Again. So it's a very basic and a simple shape to create a lotus flower. Now we'll try and repeat the similar things on the other side. We'll make one more, right, and we have to make one more on this side also. And now in the center we will be making a petal like this, which has a point. Okay, we'll make the stem of the lotus, just 2 lines for the stem, and then we have to create a leaf. Now for a leaf, it has a very typical shape, so I am creating that shape. So it does not have a similar shape like we have in the rest of the plants, so it has a very typical shape. So this is our lotus flower. Now what we can see is we have to just make it the points the way it's there. We'll make it on the other side. Now the lotus flower is in water, so what we'll do is I'll make a few more small little lotus buds. So I'm just making a few more lotus buds and a leaf like this. We can make one more leaf on the other side. Just like that, without a flower also we can create a leaf. And I'm making a very small little lotus bud. On the other side. And my drawing is complete. So all this area will be blue as it will be in the water. So what we'll do is we'll start with the colors. To use the colors, we'll be using shades of pink and light pink, dark pink. So whatever shades of pink you have, you can just take them out, and we'll be working with these shades of pink. So from the top, what I'm doing is I'll just start with this beautiful pink color I have, and I will make the darker tones also on this part. So what I have done is I have done the basic color. I have this light pink. I'll just merge it with light pink, little dark pink and light pink. We can also use a little bit of white color to give this effect. You can also do that. So I'm just adding it, and I will use the white color to give the effect in the center. And we will be creating a beautiful flower with the shades of pink color. We can add the depth also, and this is what we will repeat from all the sides. I'm just adding a little darker tone to my leaf. And we'll continue doing this on all the petals. Now as you can see, I have done the colors and I have given a depth. I have mixed a lot of white color to give the effect of the water, and I have added the darker blue on top. I have added a darker blue on top to give the waves, and we have to give a depth below this leaves to give it a little realistic effect. Not exactly, but yes, of course, little realistic effect. Now what we will do is, I'll just show you how to remove the tape and how it will look. And do create it and share it with me, and subscribe the channel, that is very important. And of course share it with your family and friends, because when you do that, it gives me a moral support then that you all are enjoying my videos, you all are liking my videos, and will love to create more videos like this for you. So in a very simple and an easy step, you can see we have created this lotus flower. So it's a complete composition, right? Do create it and share it with me on my Insta and Facebook page. The links will be given in the comment box. Bye everyone, take care, stay safe and stay happy.